Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the quantiles function in the statics module in Python. So before we describe about this function, let's understand the argument of this function. So we have data over here, then we have n equal to 4, or if you simply put n, then 4 is the by default value and method is exclusive is the default value. So this quantile function divides data into n continuous interval with equal probability, okay, and it will return a list of this n minus 1 cut points separating the intervals. So you can set this n to either 4, 10, 100, it's up to you. If you set and 200 for percentiles, then it will gives the 99 cuts point that separate data into 100 equal sized group. And now if we talk about this data, then this data can be any iterable containing sample data. And while using this function, you have to make sure that the data points that is present as your input data should be larger than this n value, else it will raise a statistical error. So the method for computing quantiles can be varied depending on whether the data includes or excludes the lowest and highest possible value from the population. And this method exclusive, which is the default method for this function, is used for the data sampled from a population that can have more extreme values than found in the samples. And in case if you are setting the method as inclusive, then it is used for describing the population data that are known to include the most extreme values from the population. So when you're using inclusive over here, then you would be describing the population data, and if you use the method as exclusive, then it would be used for the data sampled from the population. So now as we have understood about the arguments of this function, let's go and see a very simple example. So let's assume that we have a data and I have a list in this data. So let's say that this is the list of the data that I have, and I want to basically cut points for this sample data based on the quantiles, right? And I need 10 equal percentile for this data. In this case, I can use the quantile function from this statics module in Python. So let me import this module first. So let's import this first, and then I'm simply going to use s.quantiles. Within this function, I'm going to give my argument this data, and then I'm going to give n equal to 10, and this method is a optional argument, so we do not need to give it over here because we are using the exclusive method over here. So now if I run this, you can see that we are getting 9 equal interval or continuous interval with equal probability. So this quantile function will basically give you n minus 1 equal cut points separating the intervals. So we had given n equal to 10, that's why it has given us 9 equal interval for this data. So this is how basically you can use the quantiles function from the statics module in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.